Hello everyone, my name is Jeanna, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. Thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me on today. If this is your first time, thank you. If you are returning, thank you as well. Good looking out. I'm glad to have you back. Now, if you're currently not a subscriber of Seasoned Beauties, come on, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of the family. And while you're in that general vicinity, go ahead and hit the bell so that you'll be the first to know each and every time a new video is uploaded. Well, my name is Jeanna, and I am addicted to Juvia's Place. I'm just telling you the truth. Okay. I am addicted to Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes. I know I got it bad. And I'm going to tell you just how bad I got it. So, I got an advertisement for the Allure box. Okay? See? And I decided that I was going to subscribe to the Allure box because there is a palette. I'm just going to jump right in and show it to you. How about that? Well, originally I wasn't going to do this video because, in all honesty, I've already canceled my subscription. Not because the box is not good. That is not the reason. But because I do have quite a few beauty boxes that I already subscribe to. So we're going to jump right in, and based on the title of this video, let me see, and actually based on the title of this video and what I just said, let's see if you can figure it out. Well, the Allure box goes for $15 per month, and in that $15 per month you get 5 to 6 beauty products. My apologies for the outside noise. There are some things that we just cannot control. That might be. Now, this is a wonderful box. I take nothing away from this box. However, this month, which is December, and this is why I'm putting this video up. You know, it took a while for this box to come in, probably because of the holidays, but I wanted to show it to you. So for those of you who may have been looking for this same item, I'm trying to give you enough time so you can go ahead and hit the button and subscribe to them. This month's box, the influencer this month was Nikki Tutorials. She is amazing in her own right. I'm telling you, she is absolutely amazing. And so the items that are inside of this box happen to be some of her favorites. Okay, so this right here is the pamphlet that comes in the box. And it says exclusive promo codes inside of the Allure Beauty box. And it says, by popular demand, are some of the products in this box, okay? The very first one. Oh my God. And I'm ecstatic about this one too. The Ofra and Nikki Tutorials Everglow Highlighter. There it is. Right there. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, yes. How about that? Look at that right there. Gorgeous. 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 And the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one, this right here, $25. By the way, did I tell you getting this box based on that promotion, and I'll put the link right across here, $7.50 is what I paid for my first box. Oh my God. I'm just saying. The next product is the NYX Professional Makeup Lip Lingerie in Cabaret Show. Now, I have this already, so this will probably be in a giveaway. But I must say, I definitely love the formula of the NYX lingerie line. So this one, as I said, is in Cabaret Show. Manufacturer suggested retail price on that one is $6.99. Then the next product in this box, I have wanted this for so long. My name is Jeanna, and I am addicted to Juvia's Place palettes. Well, this palette right here is sold out on the website. Sold out. The colors are amazing, and this one is a mini size palette. Look at this. It fits in your makeup bag, and the colors are flippin' amazing. Look at that. Oh my God. I love this thing. I do. I've wanted this for a minute. Wonderful transition colors. There are mattes. There are shimmers. This is the Nubian by Juvia's Place. And amazing. Manufacturer suggested retail price of this one is $20. The next product is the Lash Splash Art-ki-Tekt Waterproof Slim Eyeliner. Look at that. Do you see how slim this is? I'm just going to go ahead and put it next to, good Lord. Look at that line. And it's just as black as it can be. Look at that. It's waterproof. Beautiful packaging. Snap shut. You hear it click. The manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $14. Okay, this box adding up, honey. Okay, the next item by the company Bliss is the I Got This holographic foil eye masks. So we got 2 sets, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this is $4 for a pack of 2 eye masks, and we got 2. So this is $8. Okay, and these are the products that were featured in this month's box. However, they did give us a couple bonus items. Now, I will go online and I will check and see what the manufacturer suggested retail price for these items are. But the first one is the Ultra Precision Eyeliner by Dulce. Okay, the shade blue. Now, unfortunately, when I got this one, it came broken. See, the tip is broken. I'm not tripping. I do have a pencil sharpener. Okay, so here's the pencil, and oh, that is a beautiful blue. Look at that. Okay, and this was one of the bonus items, as well as a Neutrogena makeup remover wipe. Okay, this one was in there as well, so that was the bonus item. This box right here, an amazing value, absolutely and utterly amazing. I am so pleased with the box, but I'm telling you right off the bat, I knew what I had to do, because if I let it go, this would have been another box that I would have been getting every month. And I really would not have been complaining about getting the box. I'm just telling you the truth. But I have so much. But I am very, very very pleased with the items that were in here, but I know that I have a problem when I said I was going to order this, if for no other reason than to get this Juvia's Place palette that I have not been able to get. So I will list the grand total of the items that were enclosed in this box and let you know that this box right here cost me $7.50 because the actual price of this box is $15 per month. And how in the world did I forget to do that? There we go. Okay, here are our items. Now as I was saying, the price of the box is actually $15 per month, and you saw the wonderful items that were enclosed in this one, and we did get a sneak peek of what would be coming next month. I'm telling you, I didn't even want to look at it because I didn't want to just hold on and keep on going with yet another box. So I who knows, I may just change my mind and go ahead and become a permanent subscriber. So nonetheless, thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me on today. I do understand that I am addicted to Juvia's Place palettes if I would actually go through and do that. But I have it now. I have it. So remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.